Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share my experience unboxing my new Kindle. I received this parcel just a few days ago. I've been thinking about upgrading my Kindle. I've been using an old model. I believe it's the 2015 Kindle Paperwhite 7th generations. It comes with 4 GB of storage, and yeah, it's still going strong. And I honestly haven't had any issue with it. The only thing that bothered me was the charging port. This Kindle uses a micro USB port, while all of my other devices charge via USB-C. So having to keep a separate cable just for my Kindle became a bit inconvenient. The model that I bought is the Kindle Paperwhite 12th generation with 32 GB of storage. And I also chose the ad-free versions, whereas my old Kindle came with Amazon ads on the lock screen. Besides the upgraded storage and USB-C charging, I'm also looking forward to the faster performance and the overall improved reading experience. Let's unbox it and see what is inside. For comparison, here's the box of my Kindle Paperwhite 7th generation. The older box is shorter and wider, while the new one is thinner and taller.
To read, please switch on your reading lights. Thank you.
Through our travel mall catalog for more exciting deals that you might fancy. Except leisuring in any other major cafe, each bottle is 75 ml. We also have local perfumes such as Us. Also have Barbie erasable picture card and many more items that you might fancy. Once again, safety reminder, please be mindful when the card is passing.